Madeline Lemieux is joining us now from the Home and Garden Show, and we can chat with Brian himself.
That is exactly right. We are so excited to welcome back Winnipeg's favorite, Brian Baumler, to the main stage. He's going to be here on Friday at 5 p.m., Saturday at 1 p.m., and he's going to be answering our guests' most, hot questions, whether it's what's going on behind the scenes on the show or, all the things, all the lore that people want to know about Brian Baumler. So lots of ways to get those questions in and get them answered live on stage.
People have come before many times. What's new?
Well, this year we have a couple great new features. We have the outdoor living studio. That's a great place to get your inspiration for your patio, all the refreshes that we need to do for the spring. We also have Paint with Purpose, which is where we're partnered with a charity. We're painting a live mural at the show, and then it's getting rehomed to that charity at the end. It's going to be quite the production to see. You have to check it out.
I saw the blank canvas, and I'm excited for the Resource Center is going to get their hands on it. When it comes to what people can obtain, everything from mattresses to whirlpools.
Absolutely, and plants galore. We really do have it all here at the show this year.
Give some more examples, because there's hundreds of vendors.
Yeah, absolutely. We have 260 exhibitors at the show this year, all sorts of products to buy at the show, but also all of the advice that you need for any project that you're going into, whether you have major home renovations or landscaping projects, or you're just looking to get inspiration going into the spring or come home with some new plants. We've got a lot here.
When exactly is it happening? Kicking off at noon today, of course, but until when?
Absolutely. We're going until Sunday, April 12th. It's all at the RBC Convention Center.